To use American Express points for airfare, start by logging in to your account at americanexpress.com. From there, navigate to the Amex travel portal to access your membership reward points. Enter your trip details, and once you're satisfied, proceed to checkout. At checkout, select the option to use only points. Then enter the number of points you want to use and apply them. Note that the dollar amount will be charged to your card initially, but a corresponding credit for the value of the points will be applied within 48 hours. If you need to cancel a trip book using membership reward points, you will receive a statement credit on your card. However, to have the reward points returned to your account, you will need to contact American Express directly. This process allows you to redeem your points for airfare. And with the right steps, you can easily book and manage your travel using your American Express membership reward points.